what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm ready to cleanse. I don't know what it is, but I need to go through my makeup. You know what? That's a lie. I know what it is. I don't really wear that much makeup anymore. This is my everyday look: a warm eye, warm skin, warm lip. So essentially I'm finding that if a lot of the makeup's not in that warm tone family, you know, reds, burnt oranges, yellows, I'm not really reaching for it. Overall, there's just too much makeup and I'm not wearing enough makeup to own this much makeup. This is essentially my everyday makeup stash in here. If you guys haven't seen, I have a tour on this whole thing. It's a mess right now because I just got back from traveling. But this is pretty much all good to go because I know that this stuff is makeup that I'm using on a regular basis, so we don't have to go through this. This is my makeup storage. This guy needs to be sorted. Now, over here, unfortunately, I think you guys know this, but I had to get an IKEA drawer. I'm not a big fan of the IKEA drawers, but I just needed storage. And in this IKEA cabinet is PR things. So if I get sent something from a brand, it will go directly into here. So we need to go through these drawers as well. So in this top drawer is foundations. It's not the biggest organized place, but there's powders back there, concealers, foundations, setting sprays. Second drawer is all lip products. Third drawer, eyeshadows here, blushes here, mascaras in the back. This is all lashes. This drawer is all of my palettes, and I know for sure there's a bunch of palettes in the back there I want to get rid of. This one is just hair stuff. Over here at my desk I have this little pull-out drawer, and inside of it is a bunch of makeup as well that we should probably sort. I don't use this drawer, so I could use this to store like my notebooks and stuff like that, so I'd like to take all of the makeup out of it. So the first thing I'd like to do is take any makeup that is around my room that is not in a drawer and put it on top of here, just so that I know how much I have of everything. So essentially how I want to do this, I want to go drawer by drawer. Kat Von D is new, we're going to keep that. Too Faced Hangover, I really like. I haven't really given this enough chance yet, so we're going to keep that. I'm going to let go of this. I'm not going to keep the Magic Lumi. And these three I haven't tried yet. Now I'm just going out and taking out the primers that are in here. We're still going to keep primers maybe in the back there. So I have 3 Gigi Hadid things here. So I think I'm going to keep the light to medium to try 2 of these guys, and I'd really like to try this. Do you know what? I think I'm just gonna be bad. Okay, I'm gonna be much better, I promise you guys, but I think I'm just gonna be bad and keep all of these primers because honestly I don't want to get rid of any of them. I want to try them. Primer is literally one of my next to highlight, my favorite makeup products. Feel a little bit ridiculous keeping this many primers, but honestly I want to. So let's go to foundations. So I have the Tinted Moisturizer by Laura Mercier, which I love. We're keeping that for sure. This one is the wrong shade, literally so pale. And this Tarte one is like almost empty, and honestly it's been sitting here for a while. Same with this Dewy Fit Me. These are the Body Shop lightening drops. You can put them in with your foundation and change the color of your foundation. I'm not a fan of the applicator for this guy. I have 2 of these IT Cosmetics guys. One is the CC Plus Illumination, medium and fair. Fair is like extremely too light. I've never tried medium. I have these 2 Smashbox foundation sticks that I wear and really enjoy. Think of the IKEA drawer as a drawer of makeup that I need to try, and the other cabinet as all of my makeup collection. What I'm wearing right now is this NARS foundation, but I have 3 full sizes of this, and the baby sizes, they're just, you know, I don't need them. Now I have all of these other shades of that Smashbox foundation. What I'll do is keep 2 shades darker, and then the rest of these babies can go to giveaways or a bunch of Bare Mineral foundation. As much as I don't want to keep every shade, I have no idea what my shade is because I've never tried this foundation before. I also have this Rimmel foundation. So there's the foundations and primers. And then over here we have foundations and primers. So we have all of these shades, and they're all gonna be too dark because I've used this one already. This one is gonna go into my drawer because I've already used it. These 2 Rimmel concealers, I'm only gonna keep the light one. This L'Oreal powder I'm gonna keep because it's just a translucent, so I'd like to give that one a try. 4 Pro Mattes. None of these ones are really dark enough to bronze with. The 3 we are gonna keep are these L'Oreal Pro Glow powders. I don't really know anything about these yet, so we are gonna keep them to give them a go. So this is my concealer drawer that I've already used and tried all of these. This is too light for me, but it's so amazing. It's a bit too light coverage for me. However, I did like the hydrating concealer. It wasn't my cup of tea. Give this away. I'm gonna let go of the Pro Conceal. I've had it for so long. I'm gonna get rid of this because this is just insanely light. I have the Laura Mercier powder and I don't like this powder. Everyone loves it and I just don't, so I'm gonna let it go. The NARS powder, same thing. See, I don't think I need this whole space for powders. The reason why I don't feel the need to keep any powders is because this is the only powder you need in your life. The Wet n Wild contouring palette, I don't really use this side because it's too dark, but this side I bake with, I set my under eyes with. It's amazing. I'm thinking we could add like brow products into the back there. I have had this Anastasia brow pomade since it like honestly launched, I feel. It's so old. 2 Gimme Brows, 5 and 4. I use 3. 5 I'm definitely not going to use, so we're going to get rid of, but I'll keep 4 just in case. This is 2, which was definitely like way too light. I was never a fan of browsings. I have an old Brow Wiz, which I don't use Brow Wiz anymore, so that can go. So these all came from the PR drawer. This is not my shade. I already have my shade in this. These I just wouldn't use because I don't use definer pencils that are this thick. I have a ColourPop brow pencil, which I didn't like. It was super, super waxy. So for now, the brow drawer will kind of look like this. Hopefully I can find another divider within this makeup cabinet to divide the brows. What I have here is a bag of stuff that I'm going to be able to give away just because it's all brand new, never been touched before makeup. And this bag is stuff that I have used, so I'm going to let my friends and family go through it. I have decided that we are going to do a giveaway in this video. So anything that you see me say I'm going to give away, that's what you're gonna win, essentially. Depending on how much stuff there is, we will see how we're gonna split it. I'm not really sure. Primer, foundation, concealer, powder, brow. This next drawer is a bunch of highlights. Urban Decay powder highlights. Pretty chalky, if I'm honest. Champagne Pop blush split. This one is Pearl. I'm gonna get rid of this one. MUA one that I'm gonna give away because I've never used it. This Joseph Colors one, also gonna give away. I'm gonna give that away. I think I'm gonna give these away. I don't wear those colors. I have a bunch of ColourPop highlights that are gonna go back in here. I have these 3 NARS highlights. I'm gonna keep these 2 darker ones and let this one go. I have 3 of these ones. They are the Bite Beauty Prismatic Multi-Sticks. Keep that one. We'll give this one away. Not like overly impressed with. It's found in the drawer a couple other highlights we're gonna give away. The Maybelline Master. I have this NARS one. It's very, very, very light, so we're gonna give that away. It's Maybelline Urban Lights palette. So moving on over to my blushes drawer, we're obviously gonna keep California. Add in the Benefit Gold Rush blush there as well. Bobbi Brown one, I never ever use. It's kind of like a highlight. We're gonna pass that on. I have 2 Californias. We'll give this one away because I have that California and I also have one in like a massive palette. I have this Smashbox one, which I use so much, but it has to go. I found some more brow stuff randomly. I'm gonna give these away because they haven't been used and this can go to friends or family. Also have this Too Faced one, which I also never used. I'm gonna pass on these 2 ColourPop blushes because I never ever reach for them. Hoola Cookie Contour, cannot use to save my life, so we're gonna let that go. Like super chalky. I'm gonna give this away. We're gonna keep this Clinique one. I really, really, really like it. Oh my god, I used to use this every day. We're gonna give that away. Bronzer and blush can go in the same drawer. Now we have a full free drawer. A couple random things that we're gonna get rid of are this L'Oreal palette, another one of those MAC lipsticks. I have a bunch of nails from Kiss we're gonna let go. Palette by Sigma. It's like an eyeshadow duo by NARS, like purpley and gold. We're gonna let go of that as well. All right, so this is essentially my NYX MAC drawer. Get rid of these colors. I'm gonna let Saint Germain and Snob go. MAC recently sent along a bunch of these guys. These are the Retro Matte liquid lip colors. Back here I have these CoverGirl lipsticks. A lot of these are in shades I wouldn't wear. I will keep this one, but we can put that in a different drawer. Let's use the drawer back here. Put all the Maybelline ones. We have MAC in there, and then we have NYX up here. Moving over to this ColourPop drawer, which literally never gets touched. So I'm only gonna keep 3 of my ColourPop ones. No, 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 yes, yes, no, yes, no, no. That was really easy to do because a lot of those are really old. A lot of these Urban Decay ones I've never used before. I just have all these red lipsticks and it's honestly like if I'm gonna wear a red lipstick, I have to wear a liquid lipstick. I don't think any of these have even been used. No, so I'll give all of these away. But we are gonna get rid of these two. I have all these Urban Decay lip toppers that just I'll never wear. So all of these, I'm gonna give these away. I know for sure that I've used these guys, which I actually really like these colors, so we're gonna keep them. We're gonna move ColourPop to the back. Let's do YSL, because I have quite a few YSL, but like not an abnormal amount, and they're so good for summer, so it'd probably be nice to have them up at the front there. So now moving on over here, I have Kylie and I have Lime Crime. I have quite a bit of Lime Crime. I think I'm probably gonna keep all my Kylie because I love her formula. I will get rid of this shade. This is Blitzen. No, keep, no, keep, no, no, keep, no, keep, no, keep, no. We'll get rid of the green and the like gray. Okay, I've added this guy here. I'm just gonna take these Rimmel London ones and throw them in there. And get rid of these two and we'll keep those ones. A couple more things we're gonna give away. This Huda Beauty Lip, this Makeup Refresher Mist, MAC palettes like Face and Eye, and then this Marc Anthony Curl Cocktail. Also, another one of those MAC palettes. Like I said, just not my color. I feel so bad that they sent them, but Too Faced Sketch Marker, Hard Candy Liner, a Pure Cosmetics liner, and this Tint in Lip Balm. So now here I have Bare Minerals. I know I have a bunch of Bare Minerals glosses that I love and we're gonna keep. However, I have like all of these liquid lips. I'm gonna get rid of some of these. Gonna get rid of that one, and these two I give away. Let's keep. I haven't really tried their lipsticks, so I'll try a red. Giveaway. So these four we're gonna give away. Next up, I'd like to move Buxom up here. I have them in the drawer below it. That's where we're gonna keep Buxom. That's where we're gonna keep Bare Minerals. This drawer is all Bite, and I have struggled with a way to keep Bite all sorted. I'm gonna get rid of these two. So Bite's just gonna stay looking like that. Now there's this drawer over here, and it's like full of random stuff, so I'm just gonna quickly go through it. The 3 drawers below this, I have a ton. Now I have Smashbox here, and I want to give Smashbox their full drawer. I'm gonna give this to my mom. My mom really likes purple. I'm gonna get rid of this one and this one. I've never used these guys, but they do look exciting. I'm gonna get rid of the blue and this purple one. And this one probably. A couple random things I'm gonna get rid of are these lip pencils, this pure lip gloss, I have a lip smacker, I have a NARS pencil for your eyes, Joico Color Mist hairspray, color correcting, and this Bare Minerals lip. So here's what's left in this drawer. These Pop Beauty brow things I'm gonna give away. These two Wet n Wild glosses, I love these, but I already have the 2 colors that I like. Friends and family giveaway. Giveaway, giveaway, giveaway. A lot of this stuff just isn't my shade. This drawer is like mascaras, eyeliners, things like that. I have a bunch of Urban Decay glitters, lip liners, some small palettes, glitter drawer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through these really quickly and just kind of get rid of the stuff that I don't want or need, and just kind of clear these babies out of it. These are the ones I'm going to give away because they've never been used before. I'm going to give these away. These Maybelline lippies because I have all of these colors. Give away, give away. So I have all of these Smashbox palettes I was just sent, and there's a couple that I'm going to give away. This one and this one for sure. Give away, keep, give away. I have these Wet n Wild palettes I'm gonna keep. I just got them, so I'm just gonna throw those in there. Let's just sort through this drawer really quick. I'm not gonna keep this palette. I swatched it. It's an eyeshadow palette. Give away. I'm gonna keep this NARS palette and put it on my desk so I know to try it. Give away. I really want to try this Pixie palette as well, so I'm gonna put that with the NARS palette. Give away, give away. I just want to throw in here that this is a lot of makeup accumulation over the last, I want to say, a year since I last did this. So, you know, being an influencer over a year's drawers period of time, you do get sent a lot of stuff. So this isn't just like all brand new stuff that I've been sent recently. It is over the last year. So if I am giving it away, like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm not using makeup as much anymore, and I want to thank you guys for all of your love and support. So if I can give back to you guys, I want to. So I have a bunch of Kiss nails we're gonna let go, a couple Benefit lippies, give away. Gonna give these guys away, just not my colors. Some more just random stuff I'm gonna give away to you guys. Some more stuff I'm gonna give away. I love this. This is in the color Carrot Stick. It's spelled C-A-R-A-T. I already have one of these, so I'm gonna give this one to you guys. I'm gonna give these away to you guys. I'm gonna put my Benefit, these are a little bit sentimental, they have my name on it. So I'm gonna put those in with my palettes in this drawer. Essentially, these are like the last drawers that I have to go through. I have all these ColourPop shadows. I wanna go through them, and anything I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna put it in this drawer just because why take up a whole drawer? Because I feel like I'm gonna get rid of a lot of these. So I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, so that's good. I kept that many and I got rid of the rest. Next, you guys will see is this gigantic little mess. This is my random lip drawer. Things that don't have a place or a home. Some of them probably do have a home. They're just not in the right home. Okay, and so this is just gonna be my random lips drawer. We're almost there, you guys. I'm just gonna get rid of a bunch of lashes that aren't my style. Below that, I have kind of like all my hair stuff. Hair clips, bobby pins, elastic. I'm gonna get rid of these color butters in red, titanium, and blue. It's basically kind of like overtone put in your hair, makes your hair that color. Okay, so this is where I store my palettes, things of that nature. I have a bunch of like setting sprays and stuff in here I'm gonna take out. Nicole Guerrero palette, amazing. All of this stuff I'm pretty much keeping. I'm gonna get rid of this NYX Contours All. I'm gonna get rid of this Dose of Colors Ice Cream palette, and also pass on the Urban Decay Moon Dust palette. This Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, I'm also gonna pass that on. We are gonna get rid of the NYX Contour palette because it's just wrong shades for me. Oh my gosh, that was the Tatcha, and it's glass and it didn't break. Wow. Okay, so here's a look at all the organization that we did today. So those are your first drawers, primer, concealers. This drawer is actually so empty, and that, you guys, is organization. And then of course there's these drawers as well. This one's just like a random drawer, so it's not really that great. Then of course our IKEA Alex drawers, new foundations, concealers, and primers I'd like to try. Just other new makeup that I'd like to try. This is my setting sprays, we just did that. This is my lashes, and this is my hair stuff. So are you guys ready to see how much stuff we're getting rid of? This is all the stuff I'm going to be giving away. You guys pretty much saw me go through all of this stuff in the video. We have this massive bag. This is full of stuff I've already used and I can't give away to you guys, so this will be going to all my friends and family, and that is a full bag as well. So, you guys, that is how you do a declutter video. So I have decided how we're gonna work this giveaway. There's gonna be 2 winners. We're gonna keep it simple, just do 2. I'm going to split all of the stuff I'm giving away down the center. There'll be 2 winners. I'll just split it at random. Because this is a pretty big giveaway, I'm gonna make the rules a little bit different than I normally just do. The giveaway will be open for 3 weeks, just to give everybody a chance to see the video and enter. You need to leave a comment on this video with your Instagram name. That's how I'm gonna know that you entered. The next thing you need to be doing is follow me on Instagram. Now I'm gonna put a link. The first link in the description box will be a link to my Instagram. You have to be following me on there because that's where I'm gonna announce the winner. And if you don't reply within like the first 24 hours, then I'm gonna have to pick a new winner. So make sure you are following me on there. I will announce the winners on Instagram. Like and comment on my last 3 photos. Obviously I'm gonna post since then, so it just has to be 3 photos in general, and I'll just check to make sure that you've at least liked 3. Good luck, you guys. Thank you for watching today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.